Assalamu alaikum and a very pleasant morning, one and all. Myself Uneza Osmani, Assistant Professor of Biochemistry. I'm handling cell biology paper. It's a major paper. It's a very interesting. Biology is the science. Evolution is the concept that makes cell biology unique. Cell. What is cell, girls? A cell is the basic structural, functional and biological unit of all known organisms. A cell is the smallest unit of life. All the living beings are made up of cells. A cell is a mass of cytoplasm that is bound externally by a small membrane, usually microscopic in size. Cells are the smallest structural units of living matter and compose all living things. Most cells have one or more nuclei and other organelles that carry out a variety of tasks. Some single cells are complete organisms such as bacterium or yeast. Others are specialized building blocks of multicellular organisms such as plants and animals. Robert Hooke discovered cells in the year 1665. He observed a piece of cork under a compound microscope and he noticed for a while structures reminiscent of small rooms. Consequently, he named his discovery as cells. Cell structure. Cells are the structural and functional unit of plants and animals. They are the units of life. The cells are the unit of life. The cell is formed of three main components. They are it's having so many components, but three main components. They are plasma membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. The components of cell is first cell wall, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, vacuole, nucleus, plasma membrane, mitochondria, chloroplast, lysosomes and etc. Cells having a shape. Cells exhibits various forms and shapes. A cell is spherical in shape. Certain cells are irregular, tubular, triangular, cuboidal, cylindrical, rounded, flat, elongated, etc. The shape of the cells may vary from one organism to another one, from one organ to another organ. Most of these cells are microscopic in size. The size of cells varies from 0.1 micron to 1,75,000 microns. The cell is surrounded by a plasma membrane. It is filled with a colloidal substance called cytoplasm. The cytoplasm contains a spherical body called nucleus. The cytoplasm and nucleus are together called the protoplasm. Did you get it? The protoplasm component constitutes the protoplast in plant cells. They are thick layer cell wall around the plasma membrane. Cell wall around the plasma membrane. There are two types of cell. Cells are classified into two types based on the presence and absence of nucleus. They are called eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. The cells containing a true nucleus are called eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells has a defined cytoplasm and a nucleus. The prokaryotes is not surrounded by a nuclear membrane. The nucleus is not present in the prokaryotic cells. Did you get this? Thank you, girls. Hope you guys are understand this. It's a brief introduction about the cell. Thank you.